Hey, which one do you want to be? Which one do you want to be in? Okay, can I be in this one? Which one do I do now? The green one? Okay, buddy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What do I say? 1, 2, 3. Shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Good save. Okay, which one do I do now?
This one.
The blue one? Okay, buddy. Thank you. Okay, say 1, 2, 3, shoot.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Shoot.
Oh!
This one.
Okay, if there's a goal, you gonna do the airplane for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go! Go! Go!
That's awesome. All right, which ball do I do?
Okay.
Okay, that's my ball? Okay. Okay, buddy. Here we go. Say 1, 2, 3, shoot, Papa.
1, 2, 3, shoot, Papa.
Okay, there's 2 more balls. Which one do I get to use? Which one? Okay. All right, buddy. You ready? Say 1, 2, 3, shoot, Papa.
1, 2, 3, Papa.
Whoa.
This one.
Okay, remember, next time if it goes in, you got to do your airplane dance.
Go, 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 go. Go!
Okay, ready? If it goes in, you got to do goal. Okay, say 1, 2, 3, shoot, Papa.
1, 2, 3, Papa.
What do you do? What do you do?
Go!
Keep doing it. Where are you going?
Be shooter.
You want to be the shooter?
Yeah.
Okay, go down there and be the shooter.
I'll be shooter right there. I'll be shooter right there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey. Hey, I know soccer players pretend to be mad and angry and stuff, but can you fix all the balls for Papa? Can you get all the balls where you want them? Okay, buddy. Okay, I'll be the goalie. Okay, do the big blue one. Do the big blue one. Yeah, that one. Oh, I do this one? Okay, do that one. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Wow, Bax, good goal. Good goal. Do the little blue one. Yep. I gotta come do it? Which one? That's the one right there. Okay, come on, buddy. Whoa. Do it again. Try it again. Do it again. Almost.
I shoot her.
Yeah, you're the shooter, buddy. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Whoa. Wow, Bex, that was a pretty big one. One more time. Oh, you got Papa right in the middle of the goal, so I'll put that in for you. Okay, do the big blue one. I want this one. Okay, buddy, let's kick in the goal. Man, nice goal. Let's see, I want this one. Now remember, if you score a goal, you have to do airplane. Okay, let's go, Brett Favre.
What's that sound?
That's Tucker. Buddy, that's your dog. Okay, you ready? Yeah, there you go. There's your ball. Good goal. Okay, 2 more.
This one's out.
You want to do this one?
This one's football.
You want to throw into the goal?
Yeah.
Okay, try to throw it, buddy. Wow. Wait, did it go? It almost went in. You gonna throw it in? 1, 2, 3, throw it in. Nice job.
Oh, pick one up.
Well, I think there's only one left, right? Oh, there's 2 left. Do the cool blue one. Okay, buddy. 1, 2, 3, kick. Whoa. Almost. Can you kick it back in? Nice job. Okay, last ball. Remember, if you score a goal, you got to do the airplane dance.
Go!
Okay, buddy, come on.
Oh, pick one out.
Do that one right there.
Pick one.
I think I will do that one. Okay, time for a big kick, buddy.
Go.
Where's the airplane? Where's my airplane?